Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video we have 89 squared and I'm going to show you a very fast and simple trick or hack I just learned for you to solve it in seconds. So follow me as I teach you how to do it. So we can see that we have our first digit 8. So we take 8 and take the square of 8, which gives us 64. We write 64 at one side like this. We have 9 here as the second digit. So we take the square of 9, which also gives us 81, and we combine it here. After that, what we are going to do next is multiplying these two times the exponent. So what I mean is 8 times 9, which gives us 72, times the exponent 2, which gives us the product 144. So that 144, we write it just as I've done on my screen, and we sum it up. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 4 gives us 12. We carry 1 here. 4 plus 4 gives us 8 plus 1, 9. And 6 plus 1 is nothing else but 7. So we can conclude that 89 squared is 7,921. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.